Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Quad Boss Lee, and today we are going to be working on the Ford Freestyle once again, and we are going to do absolutely nothing to it. I'm just kidding. Today we are going to be replacing the floodlights on the front of the car. As you know, there are going to be two, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. Both of them on this car are busted. They're either cracked, or I have one that's completely missing the bulb and the clear lens. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so we are on the driver's side, and as you can tell, we're completely missing it. This is going to be our replacement. So there are 4 screws that hold this on, as you can see on the back, and then obviously your light port. Now these, you can get several different kinds. This one already has built-in LEDs, which just plug into our existing wiring, or you can get ones that just have a clear lens and you can get the bulb. So I just went with these. We'll see how they are. I'll have them linked down in the description, but let's go ahead and get underneath the car. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so we are up underneath on the driver's side. We are right where our fog lamp is, and you will see that there are 4 Phillips head screws, one there, on the other side over here, on the left side, 1 and 2. So that's all that holds this in, and then you will see that there is a electrical connection. I don't know if you see there right in the middle, there's a locking pin, as well as the sides on the left and the right. So go ahead and get those loosened up as you take it off. So we're going to go ahead and take this lamp out, and we're going to connect the wiring on it first on the new one, test it out, make sure it works, and then we will mount it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so I've got the car turned on, and I got the fog lights on, which you can see the one currently working over there, and then of course our new one shining nice and bright. So we're going to go ahead, put that one in. We'll do the same thing on the other side, and we'll see how it looks. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so we got them installed, and as you can see on both sides, they're working just wonderful. These guys are super bright. I'm glad we replaced them, especially this one. As you can tell, there ain't nothing left. So ladies and gentlemen, that concludes today's video on the Ford Freestyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helped you out, especially with your fog lights. Please give this video a like if you liked it. I will have the link in the description for the part. Please subscribe to Quad Boss Lee so you keep seeing more of these videos. Guys, we will catch you on the next.